have to go through my filters again. But we're going to kick this off into how to detail the interior of your car properly. I'll be going step by step on how I do it to where I personally feel I achieve a level of perfection that has gained recognition through my clients and through my peers that have seen my work. And yeah, I just want to share it. Most importantly, hopefully it helps a future client that goes to a detail shop and they understand the level of care that their car should have for the price that they're paying for and what to look out for. And I always have to tell like my new clients and also my older clients that bring their new clients, you pay for the skill. You don't pay because it's just the work's getting done. And, that's just the reality of it. Um so first and foremost, I go into walking the customer on the car, asking them pain points. Did you spill coffee? Spill food? Do you work out? Do you have kids? I ask these types of questions because I need to know what type of uh, dirt and debris that I'll be facing. Take out the floor mats, whether they're carpet or vinyl floor mats. The situation changes. If they're carpet, I just leave them to the side and I shampoo them when I'm shampooing the rest of the carpet. If they're vinyl, I take out my uh, heavy degreaser and then I saturate foam them so that way it's bubbling and eating away at any nasty gunk. And I leave it to the side to clean them last with the solution I sprayed on them. I go right away to a blowgun. I have a high performance blowgun. This one specifically I have. This thing is straight up awesome. It is the best one that I have yet to get. And it makes me feel like I got the because I'm able to hit the hidden crevices. I'm able to get between uh, car the car seat uh, ears, so I can actually blow the nickels and quarters and grime out of the seat locks that are on the floor, the seat railing, and going into the hidden little compartments on the door jamb, center console, blowing out the vents, stuff like that.